I'm going to share with you how you can go from idea to LinkedIn post, perfectly formatted LinkedIn post in your words with your voice in under 1 minute using the LinkedIn Content Copilot. And we'll do it just like this. So we get access to our Telegram bot, and over here we'll share an idea. For idea. Today I was walking in the woods and realized that taking time out from doing work actually makes me more productive. And when I think about content creation, things look very much the same. So a very quick thought as I was going down a walk this morning, and this idea is now going to get saved here in our interface. We have a few different options here, from saving ideas to in the top over here, where we're going to get the LinkedIn post, we're going to get promotion posts for a blog post. Blog post, we can schedule the content, and we have different variables that we can use to make a post work. So now, as we wait for the idea to pop up, we'll see it show up over here. We'll see the idea that we saved for idea. Today I was walking in the woods. And over here we get a very nice content brief that we can then edit as a human in the loop operation. So we get the ICP motivator. We have an ICP agent on the back end that does a search and then matches the best fear, frustration, motivator, and symptom based on the idea. It creates a reward statement, a wow statement, and a retain statement. And you can edit these to your heart's content. And then once you've gotten to a place where you like it, you simply click Generate LinkedIn Post. And then from here, in a couple minutes, you'll see that it gives you updates on how it works, how it runs, creating LinkedIn post from idea. And in a couple seconds, we will be getting a idea. We'll be getting a LinkedIn post. We'll be getting 5 different hooks, and we'll be getting a first comment based on all the previous posts that I have created and have posted to LinkedIn, and that's going to show up right over here. So here we have our LinkedIn post. It is currently creating the image for it as well. As you can see, we have 5 hooks here to pick from. We can mix and match these as needed. There is the content over here, strategic pauses in content creation, secret weapon for high-performing creators. It takes my core idea and then creates a very well placed LinkedIn post. I'll allow you to pause this, so I won't be reading it out loud. And also creates the first follow-up comment based on an idea from the original post, but also grabs ideas from previous posts and creates a first idea to increase dwell time on your page. And then it also creates a LinkedIn image as well that you can use or not use, or upload your own one. So that's how the LinkedIn Content Copilot works. If you have any questions, let me know.